Grow shares have hit a 10% lower circuit in trade today. This is the first time the stock has declined in its 6 days of a trading history. Remember, Grow shares have had a substantial listing gain and rose about 90% from the IPO price of 100 rupees in the next 5 trading sessions. But now we have seen the first sign of sell-off emerge on Grow shares. What has truly happened is that over 46 crore shares of Grow had actually exchanged hands in yesterday's trading session, of which only 8.2 crore shares were marked for delivery. Reports suggest, and NSE data also shows, that over 30 lakh shares of Grow were actually pushed into auction window at NSE as of yesterday's trading session. This happened as traders who had actually shorted the stock in anticipation of a post-listing rally cooling off could truly not arrange for the delivery of these shortened shares, thereby pushing them into auction. Now remember, this will lead to these short sellers paying heavy penalty going forward from here too. Now what will happen to Grow shares after they have seen a sharp 10% lower circuit in trade today? Well, remember, the next major trigger for Grow is on Friday, that's November 21st, when the company will be reporting its earnings. And this will be the first earnings after the company has got listed at a substantial listing gain and thereafter continued to move up at 1.17 lakh crore rupees of a market cap as well. Will the steep valuations be justified with the kind of earnings the Grow company will be posting? That will be extremely crucial for us to see. We are also going to be seeing the other major trigger will be next month on December 10. Well, Grow will see its first month shareholder lock-in period also come to an end. Look at these two important triggers that will decide the next course of Grow shares as to whether they will go up or down.